Nice one, guys. Basically, olive oil is so good for us, but a lot of people doesn't know how to use it. And I'm going to be giving you a recipe how to use olive oil with lemon. All right? What you want to do? You want to get a nice, lovely tablespoon of olive oil into your cup like this. All right? Secondly, you want to get half of a lemon like this, or you can use lime. So I'm using some lemon. Okay? Then what you want to do, you want to squeeze it into your cup like this. All right? This will make the body happy and the liver happy. All right? Once you do this, then what you want to do, you want to give it a mix. Perfectly like this. Give it a good mix for a few minutes. Well, once you do that, then I'm going to get my little shot glass right here, and then I'm going to pour it into it like this. Then what you want to do, you want to drink this either in the morning or at night before you go to your bed. All right? Beautiful. And this is the best way how to use your olive oil and your lemon. This will make the body happy and make you have a beautiful smile on the face. So very good for the liver and also very good for detox the body. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I will be giving you more tips and more ideas. All right? Right here. So stay tuned in.